You are viewing Video Vocab. We will use the power of edutainment in this channel. Emit.
JWST, because it's the infrared and because it was conceived to be able to observe the birth of galaxies, which in the early universe emitted ultraviolet, but then redshifted to the infrared. But the infrared also lets you see inside gas clouds.
Your new transportation. Aston Martin call it the Vanquish, we call it the Vanish.
Oh, very good.
Adaptive camouflage. Tiny cameras on all sides project the image they see onto a light-emitting polymer skin on the opposite side. You see, to the casual eye, it's as good as invisible.
I call this the F-ray. Now, the neutrino beam it emits is a tad dangerous, so you'll all need protective goggles.
Huh?
You may feel a slight stinging sensation. All of you. Aha! There's the cause of your illness.
Hey, that's my watch.
I was wondering where I put that. I'm your top of the line, Mom.
Notice that this obsolete robot runs on alcohol and emits pollution, whereas Robot 1X runs on pollution and emits pure oxygen with a fresh pine scent.
Man, that smells great.
Yeah, these arc radiators emit isotopic energy. I'll be using this tablet to gradually expose you to those same isotopic waves. Are you okay?
No, I'm scared out of my mind.
Yeah, but you're gonna be fine. I promise.
So if you're right about all this, won't I change? Because if that happens, I could hurt someone.
You won't hurt anyone. We're only administering a tiny dose.
Emit. To send out or give off something, such as light, heat, sound, or gas. It means to release or discharge something from a source. When you see the pause button on these definition screens, you can pause if you would like to keep reading. Feeble.
My mistake was treating you like a feeble old man.
I never said I was feeble.
Well, taking credit for somebody else's accomplishments, pretty feeble.
Is that what this is about? Having your name on that spearhead is really that important to you? Come on.
This is about you. You're forgetting things. That doesn't make you senile.
Come on now, what do you want from me? Why did you call me in here?
I'd like you to go with me to Brazil. They found caves of Mount Allegra unexplored.
Do you think that in order for significant cultural change, sometimes people like that have to exist to elicit outrage? And that's what wakes people up? That's what leads people to understand that you just can't just let these feeble minds run civilization. You just can't. You got to get involved, because if you don't get involved, they stay in power.
Right.
And the same system corrupts your children, their children, everyone's children in the future.
I fear nothing. Fear is the enemy of will. Will is what makes you take action. Fear is what stops you and makes you weak. Makes your constructs feeble.
They're coming from all directions! We don't have any cover! We need to pull back. Get them to follow us. If we can draw them out, we can see them. If we can see them, we can hit them. All squads, fall back now! This can't be good.
Feeble-minded clones. Get in there and save their necks.
Tell Adam I'm sorry. He wasn't what I was expecting.
Who?
Samuel Abbott. He dominated Adam. I was expecting a more virile man. Just seems a bit feeble. Back brace.
Feeble. Very weak or lacking strength, power, or effectiveness. It can describe a person, action, or effort that has little force or impact. Makeshift.
Sir, some cameras were damaged in the bombings, but we confirmed it's her.
Zoom in.
She was visiting a makeshift hospital. We're not sure if she's still there.
Why won't you just admit that she's attractive? It's kind of annoying that you won't say it.
Okay, what can I do to make you believe me?
Well, Dwight had this idea and I thought it was kind of crazy, but maybe that's where we are now.
She called it crazy? Oh, man. That's insulting. All I did was propose a makeshift lie detector test, monitoring his blood pressure, pulse, perspiration, and breathing rate.
Yeah, it's nuts. But I don't know what else to do.
And she called it nuts?
I want you to assist Scotty in maintaining that makeshift circulating pump.
I beg your pardon, sir.
You heard me. It's vital that we keep that reactor in operation. Your scientific knowledge
is not needed there, sir. Mr. Scott has far more knowledge of nuclear reactors than I do. You're aware of that.
Mr. Spock, you are second in command. This will be a dangerous hunt. Either one of us, by himself, is expendable. Both of us are not.
Code Red. It has been 3 hours since our contact with the alien probe. All attempts at regaining power have failed.
It's using forms
All
of energy our
non-essential
best scientists do not
Have been
understand.
given
Can you protect us? We're launching everything we have.
Life support reserves. Our chief engineer is trying to deploy a makeshift solar sail. We have high hopes that this will, if successful, generate power to keep us alive.
Makeshift, something used as a temporary substitute when the real thing is not available. It describes something improvised or put together quickly to serve a short-term purpose. Nebulous.
I hope I didn't take you away from anything.
Well, did you do as I requested? Did you take a peek inside the soul of Raylan Givens? Or was that not concrete enough for you? Was it too, what's that word I'm looking for? Nebulous? I love that word, nebulous. It means hard to define.
Remember, they worked real hard to get that just right.
To get what just right?
The swirl. They wanted it kind of nebulous, but not too nebulous. Then there was the issue of the speed. I remember there were a lot of meetings about that.
I'll bet.
What do you think?
I think whatever happened to showmanship?
I found a sliver on the dead girl's clothing.
The term is nebulous.
Wood. I found a splinter of wood. Maple, to be exact. So you're a murder victim? Most likely struck with something made out of maple.
The victim's boyfriend was in town the day she disappeared, trying out for a minor league baseball team.
Okay, so?
What are baseball bats made of?
Maple. Maple.
It's your funeral, though more likely it's your hastily dug hole next to a conveniently located drum of battery acid. Okay, I'll need a team for this.
That's why I brought them.
Wow, you didn't skimp, did you?
We probably don't need all of them, but I'm not 100% clear what specific jobs you all have now. Seems kind of nebulous.
Wait, was everybody drunk?
Oh no, I drugged them.
Lucky.
This has been my dream for 11 years. And if you don't think it's great, then you're basically saying you don't believe in my dream.
It's your dream. You never even mentioned it before.
We talk about a lot of things, Holly. You know, I was eventually going to get around to my dream, obviously. 11 years that I could have been working on the Scar Nebulous.
Well, why do you have to make a movie at all?
Because if I don't have this, what do I have? I have nothing.
Really? You can't think of anything else that you might have?
Nebulous. Unclear, vague, or not well defined. It's often used to describe ideas, plans, or concepts that lack clarity or detail. In any endeavor, if you make a feeble attempt, you will get a feeble result. Even a makeshift attempt for learning vocabulary will help. If you emit confidence and try using the words in this episode, you will find success. Success is a little nebulous, but you can define what you feel is successful. If you like Video Vocab's episodes, please like and subscribe. We challenge you to add a comment on what you think are the sources for any of these video clips. Can you guess which movie, TV show, or podcast they come from? Each clip has the word and a clip number to help you identify it in your comments. Some are obscure, so have fun. Also, when is your favorite clip? After a week, we will list the sources so you can see how right you were. Thought of the Day by Henry Hazlitt. A man with a scant vocabulary will almost certainly be a weak thinker.